roads leading to Sabina Park on Sunday for the Grand Jamaica Premier League final. There is a simmering issue which could see one of the teams not turning up for that final. That burglary of the Cavalier dressing room at the Link-Up final. We understand that over $2 million in mostly electronic devices, especially cell phones, disappeared same place at Sabina Park. And what has left Cavalier players and club officials cross and hungry is that no commitment, no official compensation has been promised or delivered. And word is seeping through that Sunday's Premier League final might be in jeopardy. We know one peasant would love to get the title on a platter, but Cavalier not turning up would be a disaster for the climax of the league. So obviously, this issue needs to be resolved. But hey, if most of the cell phones were taken in that burglary, then no one phone call that to Floor or Digicel and get back some phone. Yes. With the phone company getting some good PR. Yes. One phone call that Mr. Speed, put down the speed dial and call Digicel and Floor. Oh, don't forget, them keep your phone. Sorry, Mr.